dual extended desktop for MacBook on a budget. With two Anker USB Type-C hubs, plug in like that, and now you gain instant access to dual monitors. And this is how you do it with a after plug group like this. These ports are still fully accessible. I have 4 USB Type A here. Dual SD card reader, actually 4, with a micro SD card. And the Ethernet port, if that's important. And that's the power supply, dual HDMI cable, and one tight connection. Mac Mini, not plugged in yet on a dock. Autonomous standing desk. Using the double-sided tape, reusable, washable. Then put these two Anker USB-C hub together, then glue it back at the laptop stand. On this side, I'm using a after plug to group these two USB-C cables together, then acting as if I'm only having one cable. So this is a really compact setup.